Let's install the toe kick boards on our kitchen cabinets. We got new flooring a few years ago and have been living without a toe kick on here since then. Time to change that. This really is a quick and easy project. I pre-painted the boards to save my sanity, and then once those were dry, I cleaned up the crummies. Then I measured out the runs. I had to be sure to stop and give the puppy Rosie lots of love too. I always seem to need to measure twice, like I forget what measurement I just read. Anyway, I cut my boards at a 45-degree angle on the corners where they met up for a nice clean look. You know, for when someone is laying on my kitchen floor, checking out the toe kick. With the help of Rosie, I attached the boards with an 18-gauge brad nailer, filled up the holes, then painted over them, and all done. Oh, and don't forget to give the puppy assistant Rosie a treat afterwards.